Namaskar, I am Dr. Monu Singh, Senior Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon and Chief of Services for Joint Replacement, Arthroscopy and Sports Medicine at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram and Dharamshila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. So, what are menisci and why they are important? Menisci are two very important piece of tissue in our knee joint, the medial and the lateral menisci. They are two washer kind of substance which are present in our knee, and their basic function is to distribute, to work as a shock absorber and to distribute the weight which is being put by the thigh bone onto the leg bone, and to prevent the friction and reduce the wear and tear of the joint. Now, these menisci, they are very tough tissues and their blood supply is very little. So, historically, whenever they were torn, they would result in mechanical symptoms in the knee joint. They would result in locking of the knee joint, difficulty in movement, recurrent pain, inflammation, swelling of the knee joint. And they would be injured typically in sporting activities, as in twisting, turning, running and jumping. And these activities, one can you imagine in a young sportsman, an avid sportsman who's engaged in all these activities, once the meniscus is torn, it is not possible for them to again go back to their sporting activities with a torn meniscus. So they need some kind of help and treatment. Now these meniscus, they can also tear following degeneration of age. And mostly the symptoms of these meniscal tear is mechanical. So historically, the treatment of this torn meniscus has been an arthroscopic removal, where we would make very small incisions, 3-4 millimeters of incision in the knee joint, and remove the torn portion. Now that would provide full relief, symptomatic relief to the patient, but there was a downside to it. The downside was that the protective function of the meniscus was also lost. Once we had removed a portion of the meniscus, now the weight which was there on the surface of the knee joint, the thigh bone which was putting weight on the leg bone, that the protective function of the meniscus is lost, that weight increases, leads to more friction, and eventually these patients would go for an early osteoarthritis of the knee joint. Early osteoarthritis meaning excessive wear and tear of the knee joint, which in later age would cause pain and friction, pain, crepitus and reduced function of the knee joint. So it is desirable to preserve the meniscus, and for this we have started adopting many new techniques whereby by means of very small incisions we reduce the fragment back to its native attachment or place, and we hold it to the bone or to the tissues around the bone, the capsule namely, by means of special sutures. Like these sutures, they may be very expensive, but they are specialized to hold this meniscus in place. Considering that the blood supply of the meniscus is less, many a times in spite of keeping them in place, they do not heal. But a substantial proportion of patients in which meniscal healing does occur, these patients, they recover in a sense to the fullest. 100% recovery occurs in them, and they are able to go back to their competitive sports. Also, the delayed effect of losing a meniscus, which basically is wear and tear and development of osteoarthritis of the knee, it is also avoided. So in today's time, every effort has to be made to preserve the meniscus, not to sacrifice it, to be able to preserve and retain and heal and repair as much as possible of this meniscus, so that full function of the knee is retained. Thank you.